Did you know you can create professional YouTube voiceovers without recording your own voice? With today's AI tools, you can generate natural-sounding narration in minutes, perfect for YouTube automation channels, explainer videos, documentaries, and faceless content. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-quality AI voiceovers from start to finish. If you're new here, this channel covers practical AI tools for content creators and automation channels. If that's useful, consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Voiceovers are one of the most important parts of a YouTube video. A great voice can keep viewers engaged, make your content sound more professional, and improve watch time. The best part? You don't need expensive microphones or a recording studio. AI can help you produce clear, consistent narration quickly. The best AI voiceover tools right now. There are a few tools that dominate this space right now, and each fits a slightly different use case. ElevenLabs is generally considered the most realistic sounding option, especially for emotional range and natural pacing. It also includes voice cloning, letting you upload a short sample of a voice and generate unlimited narration in that same voice. PlayHT offers similar cloning capabilities and is a solid choice if you want a consistent voice identity across an entire channel. Murf is popular for its word-by-word script editor, letting you fine-tune pronunciation and emphasis, plus a large multilingual voice library, which makes it useful if you're running channels in different niches that need different voice personalities. WellSaid Labs leans toward a polished, corporate-style tone, which works well for educational or explainer-style content. Most of these offer a free tier or trial, so it's worth testing 2 or 3 with your actual script before committing to one. Writing scripts that sound natural when voiced. AI voices struggle with long, run-on sentences and wall-of-text scripts, so writing for AI narration is a bit different than writing for reading. Break your script into short, 3 to 5 sentence blocks. Write conversationally, instead of, "It is important to note that," just say, "Here's the thing." Insert natural pauses using punctuation like ellipses, or explicit break markers if your tool supports them. And front-load your hook within the first several seconds, since that's what determines whether a viewer stays or clicks away. Default voice settings often sound flat, which hurts retention. Most tools let you adjust stability and style exaggeration. Lowering stability slightly adds more natural variation to the delivery, while pushing it too low can introduce odd inflections, so it takes some testing to find the right balance. Also adjust speaking speed to match your content style. Slightly faster for high-energy topics, slightly slower for calm, educational narration. Generate a few versions of the same paragraph with different settings and listen back before locking in your final voice profile for the whole video. Building a repeatable voiceover workflow. For automation to actually save you time, your workflow needs to be repeatable. A simple version looks like this. Write or generate your script, paste it into your voice tool and generate the audio. Then drop that audio file into your video editor, where many tools can auto-transcribe it into captions automatically. Some creators go a step further, connecting tools like Zapier or Make so a script gets sent to the voice tool automatically and the finished audio lands in a shared folder. But even the manual version of this workflow is fast once you've done it a few times. Editing your AI voiceover. Once your voiceover is generated, use a transcript-based editor to clean it up. These tools show you the full script as text, and deleting a word or phrase removes it from the audio automatically. No manual timeline editing required. This is where you catch anything that sounds off, awkward pauses, or a phrase the AI delivered strangely, and either delete it or regenerate just that section instead of the entire audio file. The compliance step most creators skip. Here's the part most automation creators overlook. YouTube requires creators to disclose when content includes realistic AI-generated or altered media, and that includes AI voiceovers in many cases. When you upload, check the "Altered or Synthetic Content" box in YouTube Studio, and consider adding a short line in your description noting that the voice was AI-generated. This doesn't get videos demonetized. YouTube isn't penalizing original, valuable AI-narrated content, but failing to disclose when required can lead to a strike or removal. It takes 10 seconds and it protects your channel. Common mistakes to avoid. A few mistakes to avoid. Don't use default settings without testing. A flat, monotone AI voice is one of the fastest ways to lose viewers early. Don't skip the disclosure requirement, since it's a simple step that protects your channel long-term. And don't rely on just one voice across every single video on a channel with multiple content types. Matching your voice tone to your content style keeps things feeling intentional rather than templated. Let's recap. Choose a voiceover tool that fits your budget and use case. Write scripts in short, conversational blocks. Tune your voice settings instead of using defaults. Build a repeatable generation to editing workflow. Clean up your audio with a transcript-based editor. And always disclose AI-generated narration where required. Get these right, and AI voiceovers become one of the most efficient parts of a YouTube automation pipeline instead of the part that makes your content feel low effort. If this helped you set up your voiceover workflow, hit subscribe. I'm covering more YouTube automation tools every week. Drop a comment with which AI voice tool you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.